Are you looking for a quick dinner that everyone at the table will eat? Today we are making steak, but not any kind of steak. We are making Vietnamese shaking beef, also called bò lục lạc. To me, this is the ultimate fusion dish as it combines Chinese, Vietnamese, and French staple ingredients such as garlic, wine, oyster sauce, and magi. We're talking about tender, juicy, bite-sized pieces of steak that the kids can actually chew on, and a sauce that is savory and sweet and delicate. Parents will love this as well. This dish comes together in less than 15 minutes and it only has 3 main steps. In step 1, I'm going to show you how to marinate the steak. In step 2, I'll show you how to make the sauce. In step 3, everything comes together in one hot pan and gets shaken. I have some ribeye here and I'm going to cut it into 1/2-inch cubes. Add some salt. I'll add to that a touch of whiskey, 1/2 teaspoon of cornstarch. This will seal in the juices, 2 tablespoons of oil, and then finally a tablespoon of oyster sauce. Mix well. The vegetables here are totally optional, but I like turning this into a complete meal. So I'm slicing up some bell peppers and shallots to add in. Slice them not too thin. You want them to stay crisp. That crunch adds a really nice contrast to the tender meat. Our meat is marinated, our vegetables are prepped. All we have to do is start cooking. In a hot pan, add a touch of oil and then add the meat. The key here is to make sure to leave space between each cube of meat so that they get a proper sear. After 30 seconds, flip them over. Cook for another 30 seconds. The beef is done. Remove the meat from the pan, then add the vegetables. Cook for about 30 seconds, just until they're slightly softened but still crisp, and then take them out of the pan. Time to make the sauce. Saute some minced garlic in butter. Once it's golden, add flour and stir. We've just made a roux here, which will thicken the sauce. Pour in the red wine and the beef broth. I didn't have beef broth, so I'm using water and chicken bouillon. Add some magi. If no magi, soy sauce works just fine. When the sauce has thickened, toss everything back into the sauce, give it a shake, and you are done. I'll provide the full recipe and the link to the ingredients in the comments below. And you know what makes it super special? It's the cognac. It gives this long finish that kind of lingers in your throat even though you're done eating. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share it with a fellow parent with a picky eater at home. Thanks for watching. Bon appétit!